Hello guys, so on this video today I'm going to show you 6 side hustle business that you can start from the comfort of your home, either with your smartphone or from your computer or from your laptop, whatever you will call it. So you understand what I'm talking about. So I'm talking about 6 side hustle business that you can start using to make good amount of money online. Each side hustle business that I'm going to show you on this video will pay you in different amounts. So they are not going to pay you in the same way. Some pay more, some pay less, some pay for a long time. So what I want you to do for me is to just watch this short video to know and learn or discover this is strategy that you can start using to make money online. So let us head over to my computer. Let me just introduce them to you. So guys, as you can see on the screen, the first business that you can start using to make good amount of money online is affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is you promoting other companies' products. If you are able to sell that product to your own audience and they purchase the product, you are going to make money online. So how does it work? A lot of companies today like Nike, Puma, Amazon, they have affiliate platform. You join the affiliate platform, they are going to give you a particular unique link. Is this link that you are going to be sharing to your own audience. If people that is following you, they click on that link, they purchase the product that you review on that video, and they are satisfied, arrive within the duration of 30 days, you are going to receive a commission. It will be from like 10% to 80% commission, depend on the program or the service or the product that you are promoting. You are not doing anything. Only what you just introduced to have strategy to be able to send traffic to that particular product or service, and you are going to be making money. Like I said, you can make from 10% to 80%. It depends on the company or the product that you are trying to promote. So on my website here, I am making money with affiliate platform or affiliate program in different ways. So I blog about product and service, and I share product about what can help people, and in return, if they click on my affiliate link, either I make money from a referral or I make money for them to just click. You understand? There's what we call click per sale, which means anyone that click on your affiliate link can be like 1,000 click. 1,000 click might cost you like $1 or $10, depending on the company that you're trying to work with, which is what we call CPR, click per action. So that is one thing that I just want to let you know. Click per action, and there's what we call click per a sale. So that is CPS, which is click per a sale. It just depends on how you understand it, but I want you to understand that you can make money by promoting other companies' products if you are able to sell that product to your own audience, convince your audience that this product is good, or you see people that is in demand of it, you can quickly review the product, share it to them. If they like it, they are going to purchase it. You are going to get a commission. So that is the first way that you can start using to make money online today. On my website, when you go to my resource page here, you are going to find a lot of affiliate program that you can join, or other way that you can start using to make money online. So what I want you to do is to go to my website and select any affiliate program that you want to join. They will pay you money to use them. Is very, very important. So let us move for the second way that you can start using to make money online today. So this second strategy is you taking surveys and getting paid in return by doing this. So you take surveys, complete tasks, give your honest opinion about a particular product or service, and you are going to get paid. I want to still say that all the whole website or product that I'm talking about on this video, I have made a full video. If you want them, just leave me a comment, full video, and I will send you the full video that is going to explain step by step on how you can use them to make money online. Step by step on how you can use them to make money online is very, very important. So like I'm saying, Respondent will allow you to take surveys, watch videos, complete a very particular task, and you are going to make money. So a lot of people have been using this platform, and is what I don't want to hide from you. You need to go and join the millions of people that is using this platform to make good amount of money, guys. This platform is recommended by a lot of people. I have used it to make money. This is a screenshot of me cashing out. So you see now that I'm not just talking like that random person. I have been talking about this website a lot of times because it have helped me, and that is why I am recommending it on this video. You can go and try out this website, which is called Respondent, out and start using it to make money online. Let us say, for example, you are struggling to create your account. I have made a full video, like I'm saying. Just ask me full video in the comment section about respondent.io, and I'm going to send you the video to you directly. You can see they are available in almost 150 countries. You can take a survey of just 15 minutes. You are going to make roughly like $20 to $700. It depends on the person or the project that you are trying to work on. So just go right now and create your account to respondent.io to start using it to make money online, guys. So let us move to the third website that you can start using to make money online today. This website will allow you to make money online by doing a very simple task. I know a lot of you will be saying, what? How are you talking about doing simple tasks and making money? Yes, this website will allow you to make money by just doing a very simple task. So how is this website, which is called TaskRabbit, working? So what they do is that they allow you to share your expertise and experience of what you can do on their platform. Create your account, enter your ID, verify your account. Once you are done with that, you are good to go. So what you need to do now is to start applying to jobs that is available, or people who is looking for people to work for them. They will even contact you. They want you to work for them, and they are going to tell you what you have to do and what you don't have to do. And at the end of that, you are going to charge them. Either you can charge them per hour, or you can charge them for any time you spend, like per minute, per hour. It just depends on how you plan to calculate how you are going to be getting paid, or how you plan to charge your clients. So what can you do here? You can do like assembly of tables, like a couch. You can do like monitoring, or how to use tools. You can teach people, you can help, you can build, you can make. So that is why this platform is very, very good. I have already created my account there, and a lot of people have been contacting me just because I'm busy a lot. So that is why I have not been able to like do things work on this website. I have not really used it, but I'm just being honest. You can move like mobs, like help people to move things. What you can do on this platform is very, very crazy. You can do cleaning, standing on the waiting line. Let us say you have an appointment and you want somebody to go and stand and wait for you on the line because maybe you will come late, or you want to be early, or you want to be the first person that have to be attended to in a particular appointment. You can do that. Pay somebody to go and stand in the line for you. I know this is not available to Nigerians or in Africa, because how can you pay somebody to go and stand in the line because you will be late? So it's crazy, but is happening in Europe. You can do that for somebody and the person will pay you money for that. So you can do a lot of things on this platform. You just need to come, try it out, and see what you can get from it. So what is good is that this platform, they are going to pay you like from $10 to $50 per hour for you to just join this program. If your client is not happy, they are going to still say they are not happy. If they are happy, they are going to still if they are not happy, they are going to let you know. If they are happy, they are going to still let you know. So you are going to be having reviews and a lot of things on your own account. So if you are ready, you just need to click on the section where it said become a tasker, and it's going to bring you here. You are going to see that you are going to choose your area or country, and you are going to choose the type of skills that you have in mind, and it's going to show you the skills that is available, and you can see you can earn $50 per hour when you are using this platform. So you just need to go and try it out, and once you are done completing the task, you are going to get paid for you to just use this platform, which is called TaskRabbit. So go right now, try it out, and let me know what you think in the comment section, guys. I really want to hear what you think. Don't forget, if you are enjoying this video, click on that like button or subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. So let us keep on moving. Let us move to the fourth website on this video. So the fourth website is called Fiverr. So Fiverr will allow you to make money by creating doing what you know. So if you have skills in freelancing, you can start making money like video editing, graphic designing. If you want to be creating like Facebook posts, Instagram posts, if you know how to tutor, you know how to speak English, there's people who is willing to learn from you. So what you just need to do is to create a gig on Fiverr and start selling it on Fiverr. People will buy it, buy that service from you, and you are going to offer it to them. So that is why Fiverr is very, very good. And another way that you can use to make money on Fiverr is to join their affiliate program. If you don't have any skills, you can join Fiverr affiliate program, just like I've talked from the beginning of this video. So if you click on affiliate here, affiliate program is always at the footer of every website that you want to promote. So once you come to affiliate here, you can see that you can make money by referring people to a particular project or a particular gig that other people are selling on Fiverr. If anyone purchases it, you are going to make roughly from like 25% to 10% commission from that person, even 70% depending on the product that you sell from Fiverr. So go right now and try Fiverr out to start using it to make money online from the comfort of your home. So go and try Fiverr out. So let us move to the fifth website that you can use to make money online today. So as you can see here, this is the website that you can use to make money online to start selling physical product or digital product, which is Etsy. So Etsy will allow you to make money by selling your own digital products. So let me explain to you. If you are selling physical products, you might not make a lot of money because let us say your client, they are not happy, they might ask for a refund. So that is a little bit barrier when it comes to you selling physical product on Etsy. But if you are selling digital product, they already know what they want. They know this is what they want. And if they buy it, it's difficult for them to ask for refund because they already have the product in their hand or in their smartphone or in their tablet or wherever they downloaded the PDF on. So digital product is performing well more than a physical product because physical product they can easily ask for a refund, but digital products they already know what they want and you will state it that there is no refund because once you download it you already have it. There's no need to there's no need for them to ask for a refund. But if your product is good, they will not ask for a refund. That is one thing that is very, very important, and that is why I'm recommending you to go and try Etsy out. If you have skills in editing, in let us say marketing, you can create it, make it a PDF and start selling it. If you are a video editor, make it a video, start selling it, bring it to Etsy, create your seller account and start using it to make money online. You can see on my own account, I'm not hiding it. From my own account, I have made 2 sales from my own account. I'm using this platform. I'm not just talking like that random person. And as you can see, this is the product that I'm selling. I'm selling how to make a $500 weekly with affiliate marketing, and I have made 2 sales from this platform, which is called Etsy. So go right now and try Etsy out and start using it to make money from the comfort of your home, guys. So let us move to the last website. So this is the last website, which is called Lightyear. So Lightyear is a platform that pays you to invest your money. So they don't pay you, but you invest your money and you are expecting your money to grow in value. So that is what Lightyear is doing. So you put your money there and your expectation is that this money is going to grow. So it's risky because if you invest in company that is going to go bankrupt, that is where you are going to be losing money. But I'm going to make it simple for you to understand what is good and what is not good. So let us say you want to invest into Apple. If you want to invest into Apple and let us say invest into Apple and Apple go bankrupt, you will lose your money. But let us say you want to invest into Apple, Tesla, Facebook and Google. All of them came together, they form one group which will now become the S&P 500, which is called index fund. So how the index fund work is that a lot of big brands they come together and form themselves into one group, and if you invest your money into this group, you are not going to lose money. So if any one of them go bankrupt, other companies going to replace that person and your money will still be intact. Your money will still be growing in value. It might come down and go up. So currency always goes up and down because they are investing it in currency. So which means it's going to be going up and down depending on how inflation and every other thing that is going to be happening that reduces the index fund. So that is what I think. But one thing that I am recommending you to go and do from this strategy, this last strategy, is for you to invest into the S&P 500, which is the index fund that I'm talking about. The S&P 500 is the 500 largest company in the US stock market. So that is why I'm recommending you to go and start using this website, which is called Lightyear, to start investing your money online. So the first thing you need to do is to create your broker account on Lightyear. So once you have created your broker account with Lightyear, then the next thing you need to do is to start investing. So you can invest into like VUSA, VOO, and every other investment, every other S&P 500 that you can invest your money on. So that is how you can make money with this last strategy, which is investing your money and expecting that the money is going to grow in value tomorrow. So that is everything that I'm going to let you know on this video, guys. So if you want to learn more about how you can invest with Lightyear or how to invest into the S&P 500, you can just leave me that comment section, and I will send you the full video that is going to show you step by step on how you can invest with Lightyear. If Lightyear is not in your country, it might be available. There might be other platform that is into the S&P 500 that you can go install it and you can start investing with them too. So I will say thank you very much. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and leave me a comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to watch this video to learn how you can make money with affiliate program. I will see you guys on my next upcoming video, guys. Peace and see you soon.